feeling angry all the time and pressurized inside and frustrated, and like your jaw's always tense and your shoulders are always tight and you're always bracing in some way and you just walk around like right? It sucks. It's not fun to feel that way all the time. And so you might be somebody who just keeps seeing yourself react over and over and over again in ways that you're not proud of. And every time that you do, you feel the guilt and the shame because it didn't feel like a choice. It felt like a blow up or an outburst. It probably felt like something that you didn't really have that much control over. When you have the courage to work with anger and what's underneath it, that beneath the layers of resentment and contempt and anger and rage, there's probably a pretty sensitive person who has needed something for some time, who's been trying to say something for some time. Learn healthy expression of their boundaries and anger. They step into themselves in a way that actually has a lot of confidence and a lot of power behind it. And I haven't seen it where that part of that the angry part has like completely been tossed to the side. It gets a new purpose. It's still there, and he can come out when necessary, when there's something to say, when there's something to protect, but it no longer feels like something that is completely out of control. Now it's something that is an ally to them. It still helps them protect what they care about the most, and it helps them set boundaries in a way that feels so much more in integrity. It's so cool to see people say, I set this boundary and I set that boundary and I said this thing and it felt so good. But when you know how to work with it and you know what it feels like and you have a sense of your agency within yourself, you're not a rollover, you're not a puppy dog, you're not a super reactive, self-identified, angry person anymore, but you're a person who has a center and a sense of boundaries and a sense of what's true for you, and it becomes easier and easier to communicate that